Today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous jewelry box by upcycling or upscaling the Poundland box that was out around Valentine's Day, and I use some contact paper or sticky back plastic paper, also from Poundland. I used the Home Bargains ribbon with the glittery silver dots, some scrapbook paper I had lying around, and some alpha, some letters, probably from Hobbycraft or the Wilco's. I had some silvery spray, and not to cover the whole thing, but to use it as a background. Of course, scissors, my cutting mat, some gloves, masking tape, and some newspaper, and of course my glue gun, my hot glue gun, and my Pritt stick. So the first thing I did, I covered the bottom of the box with a newspaper so I can spray the top. I really didn't like whatever that thing was saying in the middle, like memory. The best thing about memories is making them. So on I go, shake, shake, shake the spray vigorously for 2 minutes, and then spray it on the top. So it is now dry, it's the next day, and it's now time to start embellishing it. I took this lovely scrapbook paper. I opted in for the dotted one because I think it will go with the theme better. And here it is. I measured it, I cut it of course, and I stuck it with the Pritt stick. I took this beautiful silvery glittery sticky back plastic and I measured it so that it can go all around the box. As I said, this was from Poundland. It might still be there. They usually renew this. And by the way, did I tell you that this is my first DIY? Well, in front of the camera. So round and round I went. I measured the box all around, the bottom part of the box, leaving a room for the top to be able to open. And then I cut the corners all around so I can fold it in, and I left about 5 centimeters at the bottom so that it can cover the bottom of the box, and then I cut the paper. I carefully removed the cover, and be very careful with this paper. Thankfully it's not very sticky, but it can wrinkle very easily, so do it slowly, and you can always remove it and stick it again. So cutting the corners all around so I can stick the paper to the bottom. And here it is. So parts 1, 2 and 3 are done it is now time to play with that beautiful glittery diamante beady ribbon. And after I measured one side, then I doubled that, I cut the excess, and then I used that as a template to prepare 2 more strips. And then I used the hot glue gun to attach the strips. And I can tell you, as I am a newbie in all this DIY, a little bit burned my hand during that process, and I had a little bit of glue on my fingers, but hey ho. So here's the next one, and so on and so on. So now I am checking that all the overlaps are stuck against each other, and I cut any excess. And the box is nearly ready. One last touch, which I think will give it a little bit more pizzazz. Just put a fab word on it. So I start from the end. I put the B first. I had those alphas, I think from Hobbycraft or WH Smith, I can't remember. Then the A, and finally the F. So this is the finished box, and I hope you liked that video and to have inspired you to do your own DIY. Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye bye.